go, 5 rounds. That's what I can do. I get a little jumpy now, huh? Sorry for the wind, guys. There you go. Just making sure they're all fired. Hell, dude. Now the fun part is this way. Click this open. They all fly out. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm Wookie here. So I'm out at the range. You got my Ranger 2, chambered in 22 long and 22 Magnum. This is a little different from the original Ranger. It has a little ejector, which works. I'm going to go ahead and shoot it and tell you what I think about it. It's pretty cool. Anyways, let's get right into it. There we go. Maybe a little lower, I think. Oop, missed. Got one shot. Oh, look out. All of them are super one. Shit goes right in. There it goes. Ready to go. That's it. Pretty simple. Pop it open. There you go. Get them all out in one shot, huh? Nice. Alright, guys, last part of my video. Doing pretty good. The kick on these 22 are barely nothing. The only thing is, shooting a little close. Watch out for ricochet, but this thing is pretty much a fun little gun. Sure they got it that time, huh? They're all fired. Now here's the fun part. There you go. They all come right out. Don't be gentle with this gun. This gun's pretty solid. I like it. I like it a lot. Always remember too, make sure that's lined up, triggers down when you load it. I'm gonna try it with the 22 Magnum. Couldn't find any, but this thing is a fun little gun. If you guys can get out and get one, go out and get one out. I think it would be real fun for you guys to have. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time.